Everyone, welcome to next session. In this session, we will discuss public API which we will use to understand the Wiremock features. So we will understand all the Wiremock features one by one, and we will use this request response API to mock this API. We will mock some of the operation and will understand the concept also. So this is quite straightforward API. So we have these all operations that are available to get the list of users, and then we have to get the single user. So here, as you can see, so here we have the this is the resource which is available, right? So we will use these resources to mock this API, right? And we'll using the same response. Just one issue here is that the headers are not there in this API. They are not using any of the headers. So what we will do is we will introduce some of the headers to understand the concept as and when we will arrive to that session. Like we will be understanding how to match headers, how to send back the headers in the response, right? Similarly, like list or get user operation, we have the create user operation also, this one, right? So where we'll create the user. So these are quite straightforward, quite so why I've taken this is because to understand all the concept, it is quite good API. Almost everything is there which we can use to understand different Wiremock concepts. So if you remember, in our earlier Wiremock session, we have discussed the banker application use case. So there we we discussed regarding mocking the customer API. So we can consider this API as the customer API because it has many operations which corresponds to the customer API, or you can say user API, right? So let's begin with the next session. Thank you.